Hi there. In this lecture, we're going to learn about comments. Alright, let's get started. So let's write our class, right? This is our class, okay? We're going to have a public static void main. Now, what are comments, right? Let's go ahead and write a just a simple what we learned last time. Ooh, it appears it is loading something. I apologize. Okay. Let's go ahead and write sup, bro. Okay, so what are comments? In Java, or actually in 99% of programming languages, comments are used to understand what a piece of code does, right? It's only for humans. The computer does not read this, right? For example, if I were to put 2 / here, watch what happens. You can see it turns like this bright yellow. Alright, this are outputs. Sup, bro? So I just wrote a comment that explains what the code below it does. So if we click run, I mean, nothing's gonna happen. Go ahead, click run. Sup, bro, right? This comment does literally nothing in our program. We can just delete it. It won't slow it down or speed it up or anything. It's just literally like, if we outputs, sup, bro, right? It's and also, like, let's say we were coding in Java and for some reason we just forgot what all this means, right? We can always refer back to our comment to understand what the code does, right? Right? There are also other types of comments in Java, right? There's one with an asterisk. See? This is called, actually, let's go back. This is a single line comment. So we can write sup, bro. But if we decide to write something here, it's going to give us an error, right? Oh, this crazy error, right? I mean, can you believe it? Let's go ahead, write a multi-line comment, right? So if we write an asterisk, and then we give it a couple spaces, go do something like that. In fact, we don't even actually need this extra. Oh wow, it just keeps doing it for me, huh? You know what? Let's do something like this. Now all of this is a comment. So before, if we did something like this, it only goes one line. This is a one-line comment, right? But here, this is a multi-line comment. So if we click run, this code won't even run anymore, because it's within a comment. And comments are for human eyes only. What are comments used for? Used for simply to look at and to understand a code. They're used for many, many things, but pretty much it makes a section of the code invisible to the computer. But it's a good practice to always use comments in your code so you can understand what the code is doing, like the code below prints sup, bro to the console. Okay, so that's what a code is used for. It just helps us remember, and familiarize ourselves. Another one is a documentation comment. Now this one's a little bit kind of more advanced, on the advanced side, but that's okay. So documentation comments produce or generate or create this document outside of your program, and it helps us, visualize the framework of a program, right? But our program right now is only 11 lines long, right? So This may not very be important, but it's always good to remember that this is a one-line comment, right? That won't work. This is a multi-line comment. And a documentation comment. What's the difference? Well, it's that it has two asterisks and with in front of it. Okay? And also this will also function, right? Alright? And I hope you learned something new today. These were comments. They're used for many things, especially for going back to your code and memorizing. Oh, okay, so this is what it does, okay? Oh, this code prints out something, alright? I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.